Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class.
Hello teacher, my name is Hamid Muhammad Al-Harathi.
Hello Hamid. Hello. So today we are going to discuss our organs inside the body and how they are protected by our skeleton. Which parts or which bones protect our organs inside the body. So it's page number 13.
Stop.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنس، اسمي فيصل خالد.
عليكم السلام Faisal. Open your books. Page number.
أنا سعود.
Hello Saud. Page number 13, please. So on this page, there is an activity investigation. Can you find out your own rib cage? Okay, who will tell me where do you find a rib cage? Yes, rib cage.
أوه صور هذا الأستاذ.
Sorry?
مسك المايك. بالصدري.
Yes. You find your rib cage.
عليكم السلام.
Walaikum salam, in your chest, right? In your upper body. Here, right?
السلام عليكم أستاذ.
Walaikum salam.
السلام عليكم أستاذ، أنا ريان.
Hello, Rayan. Walaikum salam. Place your hands on each side of your rib cage in the right and
Hello
left.
teacher, I am Ayam. How are you teacher?
Hello, Aham. I am fine. Thank you.
Page what?
Page 13. Okay, so place your hands on your each side of the rib cage with your middle fingers touching. Take a deep breath. What happens to your hands? Who will tell me? If you place your hands on your ribs, what will happen? If you
What teacher?
breathe in, yani tanafus, deep breathe. Okay, breathe in. Okay, tanafus yani juwa. Kabir. What will happen? Your rib cage will become bigger, right?
Heart.
So what will happen if you... Can you hear me, boys? Nadir and Hussein.
Yes, teacher, we can hear you.
And Sanad.
Yes, I can hear you, teacher.
Okay, place your hands on your rib cage and take a deep breath.
Teacher, what is a rib cage?
Rib cage, what is rib cage? You find here in your chest. You will feel it if
it's
you
for
touch your
protecting
heart.
the lungs and heart, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So touch your rib cage and breathe in. Take a deep breath. So your lungs will fill up with air, oxygen, and this is page number 13. Page number 12, you will find
Teacher,
rib cage.
their son push and pull.
on your page number 12, can see rib cage on page number 12, which we have done before. Understood or not?
Yes, teacher, I understand.
Okay, so this something like that I will make. Okay. Like this, you have ribs. Okay. In your chest, you can feel it. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Here in this part of your body, you can see on page number 12. Here on this part of your body, this outside of this, there is rib cage. Okay, which protects lungs and heart. Lungs and heart. Okay, so what happens to your hand?
Up and down.
Yes, up and down. If you breathe in, it will go up, right?
Yes.
So you will write middle finger, pull.
صفحة كم؟
Who is this?
أنا نواف.
Nawaf, you cannot see the page here?
Yeah.
Khalas. Every day I will tell you, middle fingers pull apart. This is the answer for 1. Middle fingers pull apart. Your middle fingers will come out, pull apart, because of when you breathe in, what happens to your rib cage now? The rib cage moves outwards. It moves outwards. Right?
Teacher,
Yes.
so if we breathe in, it will move inwards, but if we breathe out, it will move outwards.
No, when you breathe in, your lungs are filled with the air. So it like a balloon, it becomes bigger.
So it becomes bigger because
Yep.
of the air. But when we breathe in, the air will be like a balloon in the lungs. Then
Yes, will be air in the
then
lungs.
when we breathe out, it moves forwards, and then the air leaves.
Yes, right. So look,
Teacher.
Hussain, if this is your normal lungs, okay, these are your normal lungs, okay. If you breathe in, they will. Yes, Fahad.
يمكن اطلع بالزوم عشان عندنا امطار.
طيب. So if you have breathe in, okay, if you breathe in, your lungs will become bigger like this. Yes? Hussain, are you with me?
Yes, teacher.
Your lungs will be like this almost. So your rib cage will come out, right? Outwards, right or not?
Yes.
And when you breathe out, yani air will go out, your lungs will become on the same place, right?
Yes.
So that's what happens. When you breathe in, it becomes bigger. When you breathe out, it becomes smaller, like this.
Teacher,
Breathe
I am
in, breathe
finished.
out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Understood?
Teacher, I am finished.
Okay, Muhammad Humam, intazar. It's not important to write. Aham shay yafham. The most
Teacher,
important
I
is
have
to
a
understand.
question.
Yes, Fadda.
Why do we need a rib cage for the heart and lungs?
For the look, there are many multiple purposes. The basic purpose is to protect our body. As we read before, rib cage gives us support and a shape. Okay, if we don't have
So
Rib
teacher,
cage. Yes.
teacher. So the lungs and heart are technically the most important things are in our body, right?
Yes, exactly. The
Teacher,
brain,
I am
and you
Because
have brain.
the heart needs air and the lungs get the air.
Yes, of course. Our body needs oxygen. All the body.
Yes. When we breathe in, it goes through all our body. Then when we
Of course.
breathe out, it will go outwards, and then we breathe again, it will go inwards.
Yes, because when you breathe in, you take oxygen from the air, and your body needs oxygen. Okay. When you breathe, طيب يا حبيبي افهم يا حبيبي افهم ركز معنا. Be with me. When you breathe out, you take, the air takes carbon dioxide or bad air from your body, and we breathe out the bad air from our blood, from our lungs, from our the whole body actually. So when we breathe in, we give oxygen to our body. When we breathe out, we take the bad air from the body and throw it out, breathe it out. Okay.
Teacher, the
Yes.
rib cage protects the heart.
Yes, ribcage protect. Now we will discuss about this. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
it's raining right now. It might
Oh.
it's raining. I just heard like a strong
Yeah, it was. Yes. Okay, so the function of the rib cage is to protect some of the organs inside the body. So as we are discussing before, lungs and heart are inside the body, and they are placed right under our, right inside our rib cage. So the rib cage protects our lungs and heart basically. Okay, so you will write here heart and lungs. Okay, should I write or you can write? Here heart, you can see from here,
Right.
heart and lungs on the right side. So you can write here heart
Teacher,
and
I am finished. I am finished.
okay.
I am finished.
Don't say I am finished, ya habibi. Okay, now on the right side of the part of this page, we have the shape of spine and spinal cord. What is spinal cord? Spinal cord is inside the spine. Okay, from top to bottom, there is spinal cord inside the spine. Spine is the bone, and spinal cord is found inside the spine. This is the spine. The spine has two main functions. It supports our skull. Okay, it supports our skull like a lid of the pen. It supports our skull and helps us to stand straight and sit straight. Then it protects the spinal cord. The function of spinal cord is to carry messages to the brain from the body, right? So this is also important. Then it protects the spinal cord, as I told you, okay, and it supports the skull. Any problem in this? Spinal cord is inside the spine, and it supports and protects the spinal cord and supports to our skull. Complete the sentences about the skeleton. Okay, I'm going to erase this all, and then I will make it near, zoom, and then we can write now. Now you can see clearly, right? And I can write
Yes,
clearly.
teacher, I'm
Yeah.
right.
So humans have skeletons inside their bodies. The function of the skeleton is to dash protect organs. Yes, who will tell me? Is to allow movement. Movement, yani haraka. Movement. Which color is better? I think green. Okay. Okay, just make it right. Okay.
أستاذ
Yes.
لا هذا الجواب الفوق الثاني.
Sorry.
شوف أستاذ أيوة هنا في المكان الما.
Yes, movement. Okay.
أيوة هنا يا أستاذ هنا مكان
This one
الهارت.
here. Heart and
أيوة
lungs. Yes.
يلا فوق.
أيوة I raised it.
عارف هذا أنا كتبتها اللي فوقها. طب اللي
طيب.
فوقها
طيب.
أيوة إيش هي؟
ما في كتبت يعني؟
أيوة اللي ما
طيب, I will
كتبتها.
send you the video and you can do it. No problem.
Okay.
The body and sport. The body, the function of the dash are to protect spinal cord. Who sports spinal cord? Yes. Who will tell me?
Right.
Spine. Excellent. Spine supports the spinal cord, protects the spinal cord. Okay, but okay.
Teacher, I am
fine,
Hamid.
Yes, Hamid, what did you say? Again, please.
I want to answer.
Yes, further.
Number what?
We are
Teacher.
doing on page number 13. We are doing this. So be with me. Fahad Sufyani, there is some problem in your internet. I can't hear you. You are trying to talk, but I can't hear you.
أستاذ أبجاوب.
طيب يا أزهري, طيب. You can say answer anytime. Okay. The function of the spine is to protect the spinal cord, to support the skull, and to help us to
Stand, teacher.
stand and sit straight. Very good. Stand and sit straight. Excellent. Okay. The dash protects the brain. Yes. What we have here?
Skull.
Skull. Yes, salam.
وين الاسكال؟
The skull
جمجمة.
protects the brain and the dash protects the heart and lungs. Yes. Huh?
Rib cage.
Rib cage. Yes.
Rib cage.
All the ribs make rib cage. So this is called rib cage. That's nice. Kareem, I didn't hear you. Muhammad Humam. انت ما في جواب. سعود ونواف الامري, Nawaf Abdullah Sufyani. Ziad, where are you today? Yazan. Why you are not talking to me?
Yes,
You should answer. ايوه لازم جواب يا حبيبي. You should answer.
Head.
Okay. Here you should write heart and lungs. Okay. This was here. Let me just write your names as well. Yes. Hussain, can you read for us this?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please read.
From where?
I will draw this one.
Okay.
Half of it.
Humans have skeletons inside their bodies. The function of the skeletons is to allow movement, protect organs in the body, to support the body. The functions of the spine are to protect the spinal cord, to support the skull, and
Okay, thank you.
help.
Anyone else? Ayham. Umar Mu'tiz, are you there?
Yes.
Umar Mu'tiz, right?
Yes.
Okay, Umar, read from here. Please.
I am Ayham.
Okay,
Read
Ayham,
from
just-
where? Read
The
from
fun-
where?
Yes, it.
The function of the spine are to protect the spinal cord, to support the skull and to help us stand and sit straight. The skull protects the brain and the
Thank
ribcage
you.
protects
Thank you.
the heart.
Okay. Zaid, open your mic. Zaid Ayman.
And the rib cage protects the heart and lungs.
Thank you. Ayham, open your mic. Start reading. Okay, Nadir, just wait.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, start from the start. Read from the start. Rami, are you
Humans
there?
have skeletons
Yes, teacher.
inside their
Rami, right?
body. The
Teacher, my name is Midas.
What?
function
Ayham,
of
1 minute.
Midas.
Midas, who is Midas? Rami?
Yes.
Tayyib, okay. Yalla, Ayham, sorry. Now you can read.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please, Ayham.
The humans have skeletons inside their bodies. The function of the
The
skeleton
function.
of the skeleton is to
Protect. Thank you. Okay, Muayyad, are you there? Muayyad Yasir. Muayyad Yasir. Fahad Ammar Sufyani.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please read from here. Organs.
Or organs in the body and to support the body, the
Functions.
functions of the spoon
Spine.
spine are to protect the spoon
Spinal
Cord.
cord.
spinal cord to support.
Thank you. Yalla,
You-
another.
Teacher, I want to answer.
Okay, Midas, just wait. Yes, the skull. From
The
here.
skull protects the brain and the ribcage
Re-
protect the heart and lungs.
Okay. Abdul Aziz Fahad, are you there? Badr Muhammad.
نعم أستاذ.
أيوة بدر. اكتب من أول. Start reading from the first line.
Yes, أستاذ.
أيوة بدر from here.
أقرأ.
Yes.
طيب.
Humans
Humans
have
have
skeletons
skeletons
inside
inside
their
their
bodies.
body.
Hmm.
Their face.
Okay, Khalid, شوية ركز, huh? You should read a lot. Concentrate on your reading.
متى تنتهي الحصة؟
Okay, next is open next page, page number 14. Page number 14, please. Okay, on this page, super skeleton. Find out what skeletons are for and that skeletons grow as we grow. As I told you before, if you are small, your skeleton is small, like a baby. Then if you become bigger, your skeleton becomes bigger. It grows bigger as you grow. Okay? Now, can we use X-ray, yani shua, to see our bones inside the body. Here you can see, look, this is called X-ray. اسمه ايش؟ أشعة يعني X-rays. What do you remember about the skeleton? Skeleton is made up of white and hard bones. Okay, it gives us support and protects our organs. Complete the information about the parts of skeleton. The first one has been done for you. The skull protects the brain. صح ولا غلط؟
صح.
Yes, true. True,
Lesson
teacher.
number-
Yes.
طيب.
Yes.
Now it's the second one which is done. So we will start
The
from the
garbage
first one.
protect no?
The spine supports the dash and helps. Don't disturb, please. One by one. I will ask the questions, okay? Don't worry. The spine protects the dash. Yes.
Spine cord. Spine cord.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord.
Spine cord.
Spinal cord. Very good. Kareem, thank you. Spinal
Welcome.
cord. Okay. And helps us to stand straight and sit straight. Next. Number 3. The rib cage protects. Yes. The rib cage protects what?
Lungs and
Yes.
heart.
Excellent, ya Habibi. Lungs and heart. Nice. Lungs and heart. Okay. Last one. The spine protects the
Spine. Teacher, 1 minute. I don't know.
Okay, just there is a mistake because here we should write skull. This was wrong, right? Here the spine supports the skull. Okay, the spine supports the skull and protects spinal cord. So this is like that.
Teacher, skull or spinal cord?
Spinal cord, please, because the spine supports the skull and protects spinal cord. And here, as you know, we have lungs and heart. Okay, so here is a change. Okay, Yazan, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read this.
What read?
Read from the box.
The bones of the skeleton are very hard, but sometimes they can go
Get broken.
broken, and bones are collected from. We use
X-rays.
from X-ray.
X-rays.
خلصت عادي اطلع برا الحصة.
Faisal, what do you want? Why you want to go out? Please be with me. We have some time to, let me check. 5. Okay, we have 5 minutes, no problem. So the bones of the skeleton are very hard, but sometimes they can get broken. Breaks in bones are called fractures. Break in bones are called fractures. We use X-rays to see fractures. If there is a fracture inside the body, like bone is broken, we use X-rays. Here you can see A and B. Okay. If we break a bone, it can be fixed. The bones are put back into place and held firmly in a cast until they get better. So this was the answer for this. If you have any question, you can ask. If you have finished, you can leave.
أستاذ أنا خلصت.
طيب, okay. If
أنا
you have
خلصت.
finished, you can
Teacher,
leave.
I finished.
Teacher, I'm done.
Don't say finish, just leave.
Teacher, I am Hamid. I am done.
طيب, good, okay.
أستاذ أطلع يعني ولا إيش السالفة؟ I'm done.
Yes, you can.
أستاذ أنا راشد.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you, teacher.
أستاذ أنا راشد.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Bye. Yeah, goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
أستاذ أنا راشد.
Yes, Rashid. Yes.
أستاذ هذا اللي تحت نحله؟
ايش هذا? This one?
لا هذا.
هذا؟ ما في شيء تحت.
أيوة.
ما في شيء تحت. There is no question for this. ما في سؤال.
حق ال A و B.
No, just leave.
أيوة.
It's enough. Kafi. Yes, Rashid, you have anything? Any question? You have any question?
اطلع يا أستاذ.
Okay.
اطلع.
Yes.
أستاذ خلصت.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.